You already know, boys, I'm trying to make you irresistible. I want that crush you're madly obsessed about. I want her to not be able to take her hands off of you. And today, boys, I'm going to show you the 5 things women just can't resist when a man wears. Let's hop into it. Number 1, a unisex fragrance. I've said this time and time again. Matter of fact, right now I'm wearing, I think it's called Santal, something like that. This is a unisex fragrance. If I'm not wrong, it's actually targeted for women. But I love either using women fragrances or unisex fragrances. See, and this is a trick that I've talked about this before. I learned this from my grandfather, where wearing a unisex fragrance, it's almost like it brings down the barriers on women. They're smelling something that's familiar to them and that they like themselves. So all of a sudden, it's like they trust you more. They find you almost like more palpable over wearing something that's very strong and in your face. See, women's fragrance is a great way to switch it up. See, men's fragrances, they are amazing. They're powerful. They're going to get you compliments. Women's fragrances, that's irresistible. It's going to set you apart because most men aren't pulling this off. Number 2, soft skin. And I'm talking on your chest, on your back, on your face. I'm talking soft skin overall. Think about it this way. Like, I want you to close your eyes with me for a second. I'm going to take you on an adventure. Picture your crush, the love of your life. Don't open your eyes yet. Keep your eyes closed. I'm taking you somewhere, okay? You guys are getting passionate. It's getting hot and heavy. Your heart is racing. Butterflies are fluttering, and her hand is caressing every part of your body. And as she's doing this, I hope your eyes are still closed. Imagine her hand just going, because that's exactly what she's going to be feeling when she feels your sandpaper, my guy. If you're not properly taking care of your body's skin, what happens is all the dead skin cells start to accumulate, which creates this unevenness on your skin, that sandpaper rough feeling. Not to mention that dead skin also clogs your pores, which then creates acne, which also contributes to the unevenness, to that sandpaper feel. This is why exfoliating is key, boys. We created our heat grooming silicone scrubber for this exact reason. See, this is a facial scrubber. It's an electric facial scrubber that allows you to control the settings. So you can control the sonic vibrations either if you want them really high or really low. Now, this is absolutely amazing for when you're showering. See, you put your regular facial scrubber on this thing and then you just scrub your face. What's happening is not only are you cleansing your face, the small silicone tips do a great job of exfoliating your face, removing that dead skin cell, unclogging your pores. And I promise you, if you've never used this tool, look at the reviews. Don't just take my word for it, but just one use with this scrubber, you're gonna feel an immediate difference on your skin and you're gonna see how soft it is. So, matter of fact, it's not actually a body scrubber, it's a facial scrubber, but personally, when I'm in the shower, I deal with back acne and shoulder acne, so I actually like to use it on my shoulder and my back as well to smoothen all that out and keep it as soft as possible. My guy, see, I create the tools that you need to be irresistible. That's why you don't have to look any further. If you guys want to check out this heat grooming facial scrubber, this thing always sells out. Every single time we launch, it just goes because guys love it. I want this to be in your bathroom because not only will it look sexy, it's gonna make you look sexy. My guy, if you guys wanna check out this facial scrubber, click that link down below, check out the reviews, and I promise you, one use, and your skin's gonna feel noticeably softer. That's my word. Check it out. Number 3, a suit. My guy, a suit that is irresistible for a woman. See, if the suit fits right, it's cut right, it hugs you in all the right places, it just makes you look more dominant. It makes you look stronger. It gives you that prominent V. And this is all not even mentioning the fact that when you wear a suit, you're sending a powerful message. You're sending a message that you're a man of class, a man of status. And all those single attributes, women can't resist that. Short shorts, my guys. Women have spoken. Suns out, thighs out, my guy. Showing some quads, it's attractive. Now, your boy's been calling this out for years now. I hope you've been listening to me, but if you spend any time on social media, any time on TikTok, you must have seen TikToks already telling you, yo, this is attractive. Look, they're telling you something your older brother has been telling you for years. If you start listening to me, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make you irresistible. See, quads are attractive. When they see that athletic quad, their mind's gonna start racing, but this is why it's also important. You need to hit the gym and you need to hit that squat rack. And finally, number 5, It's game. See, I've seen short guys, I've seen poor guys, I've even seen ugly guys pull more game than attractive, good-looking, rich dudes, because at the end of the day, your game, this is how you know how to talk to a girl, how to entertain a girl, how to flirt with her, how to keep things light. This is how you ignite sexual tension. This is how you make her giggle even though you're not that funny guy. And the only way to learn this trait, the only way to develop this is with practice. There is no shortcut. There is no magic one-liner or one word. It's never gonna happen. Game just comes from within. It's like you know how to vibe it out. You know how to feel it out when you're around a woman. And this only comes with practice. So go out and practice. See, you can start easy. Don't think you need to start out with a 10. No. Start talking to random women. Even ugly girls that you have no sexual interest whatsoever, approach them, ask them whatever, I'm gonna make it even easier for you. If you have real social anxiety, start simple. Every time you're at the cash register, anytime you're in a service environment where a woman's serving you, start a conversation with her. Tell her thank you. Ask her how her day is going. If she asks you how your day is going, actually tell her. Start a story. Start learning how to build conversations. Do this every single day. Force yourself to do it, and I promise you, that game is gonna start developing. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Your boy does not lie. I bring you to the truth. See, those 5 things, my guy, it's going to make you irresistible. That's it for me today. See you next time.